Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. Okay. Yesterday I completed first chapter. So today second chapter linear equations in one variable. Okay. What is the linear equation? What is the linear equation? Before that, we will try to learn what is term, what is variable, what is constant, what is algebraic expression, what is equation, and like that. Okay, once I will remember. Already, I think it is in the lower section you learnt, I think. Once I will explain. First of all, variable. What is the variable? Variable means, for example, three matchsticks needed to construct a one triangle. Is it right? Okay. Three matchsticks needed for one triangle equals to 3. For example, if you need, I want two triangles. How many matchsticks need? Here 3, here 3. So two triangles. 3 matchsticks into 2 triangles equals to 6 matchsticks. For example, if you need 3, how many? 3, 3, 3. So 3 into 3. So 9 matchsticks. Okay, same like that. If you need m triangles, I want how many? 3 into m. So 3m. In the place of m, you substitute one triangle, it came. If you substitute in the two triangles, if you substitute three triangles came. Okay, so in the here one letter is using here in the place of some triangles, number of triangles. That way that letter is called a variable. What is the definition of variable? A symbol or letter which takes on various numerical values. We substitute some numbers in the place of some numbers. We use the some letters or symbols. That is called a variable. A symbol which takes on various numerical values is called a variable. Okay. Example. In the place of variables means A, B, C and so on, X, Y, Z, alpha, beta, gamma and so on like that. This is the variables. Okay. Not. A variable has no fixed value. It has no fixed value. It can be always changed. Before that I gave you some example 3 into 1. If you need one triangle, 3 into 1, 3. If you need two triangles, in the place of m, here 1 you write if one triangle came. If you write two triangles, same like if you, it is changed always, it is not a fixed value. Okay, that is variable. Okay, and the next one is constant. What is the meaning of constant? A number, all numbers are called constants. Numerical values are called constants. Numbers or numericals is called constants. Already you know. Example: 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 100 and so on. These are called constants or numericals or numbers. Note. Number has a fixed value. It cannot be changed. Constants. Constants has a fixed value. It cannot be changed. For example, 1 is one value. There is no change of any other place, anywhere. 1 equals to 1 only. It cannot be changed anywhere, everywhere. Okay. This is constant. What is the meaning of term? Term means a single variable or single constant or combination of both two is called a term. If A is a one term, 1 is a one term, combination of 2A is also a one term. Okay. A variable or a constant or combination of variable and constant is called a term. For example, A is a one term, 5 is a one term, 2x is a one term, 10xyz is a one term, and so on like that. Okay, this is variable, constant and a term. According to the number of terms, okay, next one is algebraic expression. What do you mean by algebraic expressions? The combination of terms connected with plus or minus signs is called algebraic expression. For example, 2x plus 5y, 5xy, 2x plus 3y minus 5z plus 6y minus 5a. Number connected with the combination of terms, some terms connected with plus or minus signs, either plus or minus or both two signs. Here two terms, here one term, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. An algebraic expression containing number of terms. One number is algebraic expression, two numbers is algebraic expression, three terms is algebraic expression, 5 terms is algebraic expression, 100 terms is also a algebraic expressions. Okay. Now types of algebraic expressions. If an algebraic expression containing only one term, that is monomial. If an algebraic expression containing only one term, that is monomial. That algebraic expression is called monomial. Example: 2x, 5xy, 7xyz. Here this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. If you connected with plus or minus, it can be divided in number of terms. If there is no plus and minus, so it is one term, one term, one term. That is monomial. If an algebraic contains expression containing two terms, that is called binomial. That is binomial. Example: 2x plus 3y, 5a minus 6b. Same like that. Here 2x is one term, 3y is one term, plus 5a one term, 6b one term, two terms. Okay. Algebraic terms expression containing three terms, that is called trinomial. Three terms. Example: 2a plus 3b minus 5c. That is one example. More than three terms. More than three terms. It is called multinomial. Example: 2x plus 5y minus 6z plus 5a and so on, like that. This is multinomial. Next. Degree of algebraic expression. What is the equation? What is the equation, or what is the algebraic equation? Algebraic equation means an algebraic equation is equality of algebraic expression. Involving variables and constants. An algebraic equation means the equality of algebraic expressions. For example, 2x. 2x is a algebraic expression only. It is equality symbol. It has equality symbol. For example, 2x equals to 6. This is one algebraic equation. 2x only is there. That is algebraic expression only. Is equal to something is there. that is called algebraic equation. That is the difference between equation and expression. Expression containing only variables and terms only. The terms at the equality symbol, then it is called algebraic equation. That is the difference between algebraic equation and algebraic equation. Algebraic expression and algebraic equation. Algebraic expression no equality sign. Algebraic equation containing equality symbol. That is the equation and the expressions differences. Okay. And for example, one equation is given like that. 4x plus 6 equals to 8 is given. So, here this is one algebraic equation. In the equation, before the equality symbol, this is the left side. So, this is called LHS, left hand side. After the equality symbol, that is RHS, right hand side. LHS and RHS. Before the equality symbol, that is left hand side. After the equality symbol, that is RHS. RHS means right hand side. LHS means left hand side. Okay. For example, in the equation transpose. How to transpose? For example, plus symbol transfer to another side, plus transpose to minus. Minus transpose to plus. Plus into transference to into transverse divided by. Divided transpose to into. Okay, for example, 4x plus 6 equals to 8 here given. Okay, here plus 6 transferred to right hand side. The plus 6 transferred to that side, 4x equals to 8 plus 6 can transferred to that side, a plus can change it by minus. Okay, 4x equals to 2, 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Here 4x means 4 into x. So into, this into transferred to this side, x equals to 2 by 4. Into is transferred to that side, it becomes 4 by. So 1 by 2. That is transformation. Plus quantity transferred to that side, it becomes a minus. Minus becomes a plus. Into becomes a divided by. Divided by becomes a into. Both sides. LHS or RHS. LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Anything. If plus quantity transferred to that side, minus. Minus quantity transferred to that side, plus. Into transferred to that side, division. Division is transferred to that side, becomes into. Okay. The next our topic is linear equations. Okay students, tomorrow we will discuss about this linear equation. Thank you.